All right, guys, if you're in this video, then you have done number 1, number 2, and number 3. So now it's time for number 4. We're going to rotate it. So let's get into the rotating. Okay, and let's see what it asks us to do. All right, I'm going to zoom out a little bit and reset because I've already done that. All right. Okay, so we're going to learn how to rotate the shapes on the work plane. And in our instructions, it says continue to the next step. So let's do that. Click. It says rotate each box. Rotate or spin each of the box shapes to match the hint. Let's get started. Select a box by clicking on the shape. Okay, so I'm going to select the center box. Clicked on the shape. Hide the little dialog. Rotate your view to get the best view of the curved handle rotation handles. This is a curved rotation handle right here, the little arrows. So I'm going to look down at it from the top, I think. Okay, see, now I can see those little rotation handles. I'm also going to do my F so it zooms in. All right, so I'm going to use these handles to rotate my shape until it fits into the hint box. Okay, and I'm going to do each one of those. I'm going to zoom back out to home. Okay, now let's see. This one on the left, it looks like it's going to want us to rotate this way. So I'm going to click on the front, click on the box, zoom to it, use my rotation handles. Perfect. Zoom back out. Got one more. Now, if I really look at this one here, it looks like it wants us to rotate it from the side. So I'm going to come over to the view cube. I'm going to click on the right side. I'm going to zoom in, take my little handles here. They're kind of, there we go. Zoom so I can see them. And I'm going to, whoops. Sometimes when those handles get really close to the other boxes, we got a problem. Let's rotate it. There. Okay, zoom back out. Perfect. I've got each one rotated into its hint. Okay, now you've made it this far. Take your screenshot, put it into your slideshow, and move on to tutorial number 4.